Hello everyone. Today we will be talking about an interesting program which is offered by the Indian Statistical Institute. So the program that we'll be talking about today is the Master of Science in Quality Management Science, and we'll be talking about its scope, the eligibility, the selection procedure, and the number of seats and the stipend associated with this very program. And this entire video has been brought forward to you by Sources Classes, which is a premier institution imparting quality education to aspirants to the various advanced applied maths and mathematical programs and statistics and economics programs to various colleges all over India. So without wasting any further time, let's get into the understanding of this program in particular. First of all, let's talk about the scope of this program. So this program, in short, it is known as the MSQMS program. So this program is basically a master's program, a postgraduate program. It is a two-year degree program which focuses on quality management and its various applications. And this program in general has a very in-depth focus on the quantitative aspect of the subject, and thereby after the completion of this program, the graduates or the postgraduates get a very quantitative edge in their knowledge regarding this very stream. At present, this course is currently offered at the ISI Bangalore campus, and with a semester being held at the Hyderabad campus as well. And upon the completion of the program, you can either go for an academic research program, or you can go for a PhD in abroad and other things like that. And also you can work, you can care for a job, you can go for a job in the private and the public sector. And the normal roles, usual roles that are offered to the students who pass out from these programs are those of quality analysts, quality managers, and in other quality improvement roles. So that are the various areas in which a prospective student after passing out from this program can hope to get into. So this can be said in short the scope of MSQMS. Talking about the average CTC which is on offer normally for the students who pass out from this program, that ranges in the range of 16 lakhs per annum. 14 to 16 lakhs will be much more. 14 to 16 lakhs per annum is the average CTC on offer for this program. Let's now understand the eligibility criteria for this very program. Who can appear for this ISI MSQMS exam? So for this exam, you do not need anything. You just need a bachelor's degree having mathematics as a subject. And that also includes if you have an engineering degree, if you are from a BE or BTech degree in any discipline, irrespective of any discipline, you can get into this MSQMS program. Let us understand the number of seats which are available for this program. So this program, which is offered at the ISI Bangalore campus, has a total of 16 seats. Now these 16 seats, out of these 16 seats, 8 seats are for the general category students, 5 seats are for the OBC and NCL students, 2 seats are for the SC students, and 1 seat is earmarked for the students from the scheduled tribe community. Now, this program also takes in sponsored candidates. So these sponsored candidates are basically candidates who are sponsored by the respective organizations to undergo the program, ISI MSQMS program at the institution. So the sponsored candidates are not part of this 16 seats. So the total number of seats which are declared in this case, out of this, 10% of these seats, maximum of 10% of those seats can be taken up by the sponsored candidates. So that has been mentioned over here. The information that has been mentioned is an additional number of seats not exceeding 10% of the declared seats will be open to the sponsored candidates. So as you can see, there are 16 seats in total. So there cannot be more than 10% of the 16 seats. That comes around in 1.6. It's an absurd figure since a person cannot be 1.6. But nevertheless, that is the main point that one has to understand over here. There can be sponsored candidates, and that is not inclusive of the 16 seats. That is exclusive of the 16 seats. Let's now talk about the selection procedure. So as with all ISI courses, the selection procedure is very, very stringent, and that is due to the less number of seats which are available for this very program, and also the number of students who are applying for this. The seats are very low, students applying is very large, so there is a very stringent competition for getting into this prestigious program. Now, what is the selection procedure? In more, unlike all the other programs, this for getting into this program, you need to pass first through a written test, and then there will be a subsequent interview. Okay, you also sponsored candidates who are sponsored, they also have to appear in this written test and then a subsequent interview. So this is the criteria. Now, this written test comprises of questions basically on mathematics, and the level of difficulty of those questions is basically at the undergraduate level. There will be questions both in the objective, which is the multiple choice format, and also in the descriptive format, which will be basically in the short answer type. The first part will be objective, the second part will be descriptive or the short answer type questions. Let's now talk about the amount, what is the stipend that is offered for this particular program. So, like all of the ISI courses, there is no tuition fees involved in this case. The stipend that you get per month ranges comes to rupees 5,000 per month, and the contingency grant per year over and above this fellowship is also 5,000 rupees. So you get a 5,000 rupees stipend per month plus a 5,000 rupees contingency grant for buying books and all those stuff per year. So this is the stipend and all of the stuff involved with this very program. So this is in short the various aspects of this course in general, and if you have if you think that you can go for it, then I guess this video will serve as a strong help in you making the decision to get into this course. If you need any help regarding how to prepare for this exam and require guidance on the same, then you can comment in the comment section below, and we at Subs Classes will try to reach out to you and help you as much as possible. Thank you very much.